Otranto, the easternmost point of Italy, where the sun rises first, gently touching ancient stones, towers, and the sea. Here, the Adriatic is not just water, it is history, breath, boundary, and meeting point. The city walls embrace Otranto, witnesses to centuries of waiting, battles, and hope. The Aragonese Castle, powerful and silent, stands watch over the coast like a timeless sentinel. In the heart of the town, the Cathedral of the Annunciation is carved in faith. Its mosaic floor, one of the largest in Europe, tells vivid stories of humanity's dream, the tree of life, knights, animals, and legends. And in the silence of the crypt rest the martyrs of Otranto. Souls who chose faith as their final act of love. Otranto is the voice of the wind, the scent of salt, the whitewashed houses reflecting the blue sky. It is a harbor that has welcomed and sent off ships, people, and cultures. It is the East brushing against the West in a slow, timeless dance. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into a luminous memory, bathed in golden sunsets with guitar music in the air. Gazes lost in the sea. Otranto is not just visited, it is heard, it is lived, an embrace of stone and sky. A poem the sea keeps writing, wave after wave.